Excellent. Okay. Yeah, you guys cleaned this out. Excellent. This is all you guys, these little trees is all you guys got left back here, right?
Yep.
Okay. Excellent. She's going to be very well pleased. Got by the garage. They're raking stuff up now. He's coming to get these stumps. There's 3 stumps we're going to get right here. They got everything out the gates all the way around. Well, they got to pull this little stuff off, but that's small stuff to them. They've been cutting stuff out all day, so yeah, they're going to get all the rest of this here. Yeah, okay. And they're basically just got a little bit of this side right here left. And all right. And they've got all the way around here. Everything is ground level now. They've got it out. Let's get a close-up of that. Back off of it just a little bit. Yep, just got a couple more up front here. Just got like 1, 2, 3, about 6 or 7 more in the front. And everything else is completed, yeah. So he's gonna, this was a stump right here. Yeah, he's getting ready to come grind the rest of this up. Ground level. And got one more to get by the garage.